This is truly a passive income that keeps giving, and I'm going to do a withdrawal in this video, but I just wanted to show you some of the trade positions. We've got some open positions here, and these are all viewable on the blockchain. This is the amazing thing, that when the trade's complete, you can go and view all the activity on the blockchain. You know, and the blockchain don't lie. It's just mind-blowing, really. I mean, you can see this open position here. This is a short position, so this is Ethereum, saying that the price of Ethereum is going to go down. And then over here, we've got a long position. So have a look at that one. That's saying that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up. And this is what I love about this system, as I say, is that you can actually view the transactions on the blockchain. Now, what I want to do is I want to show you something else about this system that I forgot to show you. Now, you've probably heard of compounding before. There's nothing new there, but I don't think you've seen anything like this with what this system's got. Now, normally you've either got compound on or compound off. That's it. Simple as that. You can't have anything else in between. But with this system, you can have something else in between. So if I wanted to compound 10% of my daily profits, I could do that. If I wanted to, do 13%, 25%, 34, 46, I can go up to whatever I like, anywhere in this scale between 0 and 100% of profits that I can compound. And the great thing about this is, if you compound, let's say you compound for a week, and you say, well, I don't want to compound anymore, I want to stop compounding, you can do that. You can stop compounding after a day. I wouldn't do that myself, of just switching it on and switching it off day by day. But what I would do is consider doing it once a week or even once a month. Run it for a month of compounding on, whether it's 50%, 25% or 100%, and then come back and switch off the compounding because I want to put some money in the bank. Because let's face it, I can't live with money on a screen. And just to prove that I can't live with money on a screen, let's do a withdrawal. So I'm going to go over to the wallet. I've got $241.58 that I can withdraw. So I'm going to click withdraw. That brings me down to this section where I've already got the wallet saved. Okay, so I just click on all, and I'm going to be withdrawing that. Now, before I do that, let's go over and look at what's in the wallet and the time, because this is important. So we can see now the time in the UK is 9:46 a.m. Let me just refresh that screen. It's 9:53 a.m. and I'm going to come up to the wallet, and the wallet's got $14.38 in. So let's do the withdrawal. So confirm the withdrawal. What I'm going to do, they don't charge you for a withdrawal fee. Confirm that. Now we're going to wait to see what happens. Now, as you can see there, it says most withdrawals are completed automatically in 15 seconds to 10 minutes, depending on the network. That's already completed. So what I'm going to do is go over to my clock. I'm not going to refresh the screen yet because it said 9:53. Let's have a look inside the wallet. There you go. That money's come in now. And then if I refresh this screen, 9:54, less than a minute, and I got my withdrawal. I didn't have to put in a request to withdrawal. I didn't have to wait for it to be pending for somebody else to approve it. It's all done like I would be sending you money, or you sending me money, via the blockchain. You're at the mercy of the blockchain. You're not at the mercy of some admin waiting for them to get up and come in front of their computer and click that withdraw button. You're there instantly, less than a minute. Now, if you're interested in discovering how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income using automation and AI, I've got this free blueprint. I'm going to give you that free. So below this video, you're going to find two links. You're going to find a link to this blueprint, which will tell you all about how to turn crypto volatility into a passive income. But you'll also find a link that's going to take you over to this trading robot, where you can see, and if I show you here, look, view the trades. These are all on the blockchain. Look, there's a Bitcoin one there, a BNB, another Bitcoin. And look, if I go over to the BNB one, I'll just choose this one randomly. You can see that this transaction was done 8 minutes ago, the 20th of August. It's the 20th of August today. And it shows you the trades. It shows you all the trades that it did to complete that trade. So you can go and check that out on the blockchain. So if you're interested in joining this robot, you'll also find that link below this video. You have a great day. click those links. I mean, personally, you could do both, couldn't you? You could get my free blueprint as well, creating a free account with this trading robot, so you can have a look around. Doesn't cost you anything to create an account. You can just create your account, and then what I'll do is I'll send you some videos on how to get started. You have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, and come and join this amazing passive income. You have a great day. Bye now.